I am Alejandro and I'm going to talk about this exercise. This is about energy saving calculation using GDBT tariff. In this case, is in a textile manufacturing context. And this is basically about implementing IoT sensors, artificial intelligence, and predictive maintenance. With this, we have like an objective of energy reduction. In this case, is about 15% of energy reduction. And the actual monthly energy consumption is to 200,000 kilowatts hour. And for this exercise, we're going to use this tariff rate. There's just one that is applicable just for all the consumption. And well, we're gonna talk about the questions that we answered in this exercise. The first question that was about what was the monthly energy cost before implementing Industry 4.0 technologies. In this case, the calculation it's simple. We just need to multiply the monthly consumption by the tariff rate, and we obtain this result. We can see here. Then the question would be, with the 15% reduction, what is the new monthly consumption? Well, we're making this operation. This means that, well, we have the monthly consumption before implementing the technologies. So we have this, the energy reduction. So how can we calculate? Well, we're considering this thing. We are using this one minus the 50% because, well, the energy that we reduce is here. So is here. So this is the reduction, but we need the new monthly consumption. So we just need to consider that this is the total consumption that such as how we are just multiplicating the monthly consumption by one, but that is not that what we want. So we subtract and this in order to have the real percentage that we have now the as new monthly consumption. So we have this. The new monthly consumption is about 170,000 kilowatt hours. So that's the new monthly consumption. And what is the new monthly energy cost with the 15% reductions? So we have the monthly energy consumption, the new monthly energy consumption. So we just need to multiply by the tariff rate. So okay, we just make that operation and we have the result that is 467,500 pesos. And now the last question is about what is the total monthly saving in kilowatt hours and pesos. So we just have to make this. The monthly energy and cost saving are respectively. This is the subtraction of the monthly consumption before implementing Industry 4.0 technologies minus the actual or new monthly consumption. So we have the energy saving. And then this the cost. There are two ways to make this. We choose this way that is about subtracting this minus this, because this is the cost before implementing Industry 4.0 technologies, and this is the new monthly energy cost with the reduction. So we use subtract those quantities and we have this. The other way is just multiplying this and by this, but it should be the same. So what are the conclusions of this exercise? Well, with this exercise, we can see the Industry 4.0 technologies can help us reduce cost because, well, we can play with the but in this exercise there that we can place such as I mentioned because there are just one tariff rate, but obviously we can reduce the consumption because we have more efficient practices. We can uh, we can reduce the waste energy that we don't use and that type see or that type of or that kind of things. So well, this is important for industry just because of the cost reductions. Um, but there are some disadvantages because we are not talking about the cost of those technologies that we are implementing in this exercise. So we can make like uh, a calculation about the return of the inversion, but it is necessary to consider the technology's cost because we need to compare like the lifespan of every technology and we need to consider that because obviously we need to have uh, an, uh, a technology that can be useful for us and the energy saving, the cost savings can be like can be useful for the company. So that is all for this exercise.